Greece, renowned for its rich cultural heritage and artistic achievements, has left an indelible mark on the world of sculpture. One of the most iconic and enduring symbols of ancient Greek art is the marble statues of women, which have captivated the imagination of art enthusiasts and historians for centuries. The mastery of Greek sculptors in capturing the human form is evident in these statues. The Korai were sculpted with meticulous attention to detail, portraying the female body with a remarkable sense of naturalism. The flowing drapery, delicately carved hairstyles, and serene facial expressions showcased the skill and artistry of the ancient Greek craftsmen. The women depicted in the statues were often shown wearing intricately designed garments adorned with jewelry, reflecting the fashion of the time. These marble statues of women held significant cultural and religious significance in ancient Greece. They were dedicated to various deities, especially goddesses like Athena and Artemis, as offerings for protection, blessings, or gratitude. The Korai were also symbolic representations of the idealized female youth and played a role in educating the ancient Greeks about the values of beauty, virtue, and modesty. The legacy of these marble statues of women continues to inspire artists, scholars, and art enthusiasts worldwide. They serve as a testament to the artistic brilliance of ancient Greek civilization, reminding us of the timeless beauty and sophistication that defined an era long past. Today, these sculptures stand as enduring symbols of the artistic achievements of ancient Greece, inviting us to marvel at the skill and creativity of those who crafted them over 2 millennia ago.